So we currently have no electricity again. So I'm going to take the little military pattern anvil out, and I'm going to try and see if I can clean it up by hand, just with a wire brush and water. And then when the electricity comes back on, then maybe I can give it a bit of a treatment with a wire brush with a grinder. But I have nothing to do, so I thought I might as well do this while I have nothing else to do. I've still got the Peter Wright in here, what I think to be. I will pull that out maybe later on today or tomorrow, depending on when I have time. And I'll clean that one up and get that one ready. Go. Just dry my hands. Okay, take it through over here. So there you have it. It's not very clean, but it's clean enough. So you can see there that marking says best DM. I don't know if that is a maker's mark or artisan stamp. But then the real fun starts on the other side. So there you go. There's the weight stamps and the year 1898. How cool is that? With a sweet little arrow. Love that. Edges are really good. This will get absolutely nothing done to it other than rust converted and oiled. I will go over this with a angle grinder when the power comes back on. And yeah, rust converter, and then I'll obviously decal all the lettering, because that is so cool. So I had a bit of a brainwave and it seems to have worked out. I just got a little bit of washing powder for your clothes, put it in a tub with some water, and I went over this again, also by hand, just with washing powder, and it brought all of that weird black stuff off. And I must say, I really like the finish. It's not quite as clean as they normally come with power tools, but it does tell its age and there's no rust. So I don't know, I kind of like this. I think I'm going to put rust convert on and then go for it from there. I mean, that is clean, very clean. You know, I think with a little bit of rust converter it'll be as good as I normally get it with power tools. Even underneath I did, and it came nice and clean. So I think I'm going to let this dry now, and then I'll put rust convert on.